Let's make chocolate momos. First, we need to get some coconuts. I got 1 coconut, then 2 coconuts, then 3 coconuts.
Now there are many, many coconuts. Let's go home. Now we will peel the coconuts nicely. Look, the coconut peeling is finished.
Now we will make the flour dough. For this, first we took some flour, then added a little salt,
A little oil. Now we will knead the flour nicely with water.
Now our flour dough is ready. Cover it with a white cloth and let it rest for some time. In the meantime, let's make the filling for the momos. First, fry the garam masala in a pan and add the coconuts to it. Now add a little sugar. Then add some liquid milk. Now we will stir all the ingredients nicely. Now we will add some chocolates in it. Finally, by stirring all the ingredients again, our momo filling is ready. Now, after cutting a few slices from the dough kept in the rest, I will make some rotis from them nicely. Now I will put 1 roti on the palm of my hand and fill it with the fried coconut and chocolate. Then I will wrap it nicely from all sides and put the momo shell on it. I will make all the momos in this way. Look how beautiful our momos have become. Now I will arrange the momos nicely inside the steamer and steam them for 15 to 20 minutes. Oh my! Now our hot chocolate momos are ready! Wow! Look how soft the momos. It's so much yummy! If you like the video, like and subscribe our channel, Peg!